What to do when the rolling nail gun releases nails at intervals? There are 3 reasons for nailing out of intervals. The first reason is that the push-pin compression spring has failed. The second reason is that the spring in the small cylinder is broken. The third reason is that the cushion pad is damaged. The debris produced blocked the exhaust hole of the small cylinder. This will cause the nail pushing claw to fit nails slowly. Doesn't it fit well with the firing pin? It will cause the gap to break out. First, open the cover and nail box of the nail gun. You can see that the push-pin compression spring here has broken. Use a pick needle to pick out the pin bushing. Take out the connecting pin and push-pin compression spring. Check the small cylinder again. I saw that the push-pin spring is intact. Just don't worry about it. Then check to see if the exhaust pipe here is blocked. I found that this location was blocked by debris from the cushion pad. The way to clean it up is to insert a trachea. No need to install nails air-fired. Use air to flush out the debris from the cushion pad until it's clean. After cleaning up, let's put these accessories back together. Lubricate the piston shaft and put it back in place. Reinstall the push nail claw. Put it in like this. Then install the new push pin with the compression spring facing upwards. Then push the cotter pin in. Remember to replace the pin bushing. Just put it in this position. Install the push pin spring again. When installing the back cover of a small cylinder, use pliers to pinch the retaining ring. At the same time, press down the back cover with your thumbs. Turn it a few times to check whether it is successfully inserted into the slot. Next, we put back the cover of the nail gun. Note that the tail of the gun body is installed in this direction. Reinstall the screws into their original positions. Tighten the screws with a pneumatic screwdriver. After the repair is completed, we will install the nails. Check if the nailing is smooth.